I'm happy to declare the 18th tournament open. Here we go.
And Kohima District.
Secretary, Nagaland Volleyball Association. So far this time, the 18th edition of the All Nagaland Inter-District Volleyball, 7 districts is taking part. Out of 7 districts, we have 6 women's team and 7 men's team. Total 13 teams we have. The competition will be of 3 days. In early days, because of this pandemic, we could not conduct this tournament for 3 years, as well as during 17th edition, the participant team was 8 districts, but this time, as some of the districts they could not take part for this said tournament. We are sorry for the inconvenience of the other districts, those who cannot take part for this 18th edition. These are all seniors. We have a men's team, that means senior teams. Women teams, that is also senior teams. Usually we conduct only senior teams in the state level. Cash prize, we used to give them only 20,000 to the winners and 10,000 to the runners-up teams. And individual teams, we used to give 2,000 each to all the category. We have a best libero, best setter, and the best attacker of the team.
I also request our Vice President NVA to
Almighty God, for this wonderful occasion, extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to the organizing committee and the Nagaland Volleyball Association for inviting me to participate in this 18th All Nagaland Inter-District Volleyball Tournament. I extend my congratulations to the organizing committee and to the Nagaland Volleyball Association for being able to conduct this tournament, this championship, despite the challenges of the pandemic, despite challenges of the COVID situation. We all know that the whole world, including us here in Nagaland, are facing tremendous challenges and hurdles because of the pandemic. Holding a tournament, or for that matter, even to organize a small event, is indeed very challenging. I also welcome all the participants from all over Nagaland who have come here to participate in this 18th Inter-District Tournament. I congratulate each and every one of you for reaching the standard of state level. You must have trained very hard back in your own districts. You must have overcome several challenges, made sacrifices to come here and participate in this tournament and represent your district and the people of your district at the state level championship. Henceforth, all of you will be considered as state level players by the state and by your districts respectively. That itself is a significant achievement. In a state like ours, we understand the fact that the sports fraternity, the sports persons face a lot of problems. There is poor infrastructure, limited resources, and several challenges you face every day. Just to get to the ground in the morning and train itself is a big problem. So I welcome you, appreciate you, and congratulate you for making it to the state level championship. And from now on, I encourage you and motivate you to give off your best. In the next few days, you'll be playing a series of matches. You'll be playing against each other. At the end of the tournament, only one team will win. That is a part of sports. In sports, there are winners and there are losers. But each of you should keep in mind that whether you win or lose, after the tournament is over, you should question yourself whether you gave your best.
Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every game to taste the sweet. I face the pain. I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment
in one's life to cooperate, to work together, to progressive series in human activities, to energy, to enjoy, to increase inner feelings, create a spirit of love to all people and communities. Sports and camps and sports, it has become a way of life. It's part and parcel, head and tail to all categories, level of people in society, institutions, both men and women. Cancer sport is now inclusive entertainment, including all discipline, of which volleyball is also one. It has become a profession now and generates employment demanding professionalism and dedication as well. There is a lot of competitions and recreations, relaxed, positive attitudes, healthy well-being, sound mind, adhesive feeling, improvement in patience and commitment. During the short day of this participating program on this 18 Nagaland Inter-District Volleyball Tournament, let's be comfortable and willing of spiritual increase of your stay here. Let us create and become responsible partners and friends, and to spread a message of love and strengthen in our living. Asia makan laga dangor program jukora homate bahorko nora laga makan jondo special case yadi apomita ahigina ase. The special person ekta makan state karne involvement thaki jai. In spite of all his engagements, dai itu homoe rakhi digena aji amakan logote yade chukuribo para amakan dangor subu khora laga ekta aro pride table feeling gorigena apni ke swagat kori rakhi disese apni khan apni ahado amang karne dangor moror poster laga kotha do ala kotha ase tothapi amakan itu loge apni presence to it will be in the history of Nagaland Volleyball Association with a sports loving person of the state. Your presence is a challenge for us. Your presence will be an inspiration for all of us, a generation to come. Today will be a special day for all of us. And ami yati kobole mon thaga, olop sal karone amakan tournament organize koribo parane because of constraints and lot of difficulties.